Just recently, DJI surprised us with their freshest offering, the DJI Air 3. However, it appears that the drone industry leader is already hard at work on their upcoming product, as evidenced by the exciting leak of the DJI Mini 4 Pro. DJI has remained tight-lipped about any official statements regarding the potential launch of the Mini 4 Pro. Nevertheless, the drone that has yet to hit the market has been glimpsed in leaked images and a brief video clip. Join us in this video as we explore the significance behind these leaks and uncover the insights they could offer regarding the much-awaited DJI Mini 4. Renowned DJI leaker Quadro News has unveiled an intriguing image in X, showcasing what seems to be a continuation of the DJI Mini 3 Pro from the previous year. While no leak specifications have accompanied the image thus far, we can engage in some informed speculation based on its content. Notably, a prominent enhancement appears to be an all-encompassing obstacle detection system, reminiscent of the recent implementation witnessed on the Air 3 model. The signifying sign of this enhancement lies in the modified fisheye sensors positioned above the camera and gimbal. In a departure from the Mini 3 Pro setup, these sensors are oriented sideways to encompass a wider field of view instead of being directed straight ahead. Deciphering additional attributes from the leaked images proved to be more challenging, yet it appeared the Mini 4 Pro might retain a single camera setup. In contrast, a noteworthy enhancement featured in the Air 3 encompassed the incorporation of a dual camera arrangement, wherein one of the cameras provided an impressive 3x optical zoom capability. Now, when we zoom into the darker areas of the leaked image depicting the alleged Mini 4 Pro, it becomes evident that a solitary camera remains intact. It's highly probable that this camera is built upon the identical 1x1.3 in CMOS sensor found in both the Mini 3 Pro and the Air 3 models. In such a scenario, this choice is likely driven by a desire to reduce weight. Retaining a single camera aligns with the core attraction of the Mini series, their sub-250-gram weight classification. This aspect grants drone enthusiasts greater flexibility in various regions such as the UK, where only an operator ID is required instead of a flyer ID due to the drone slider profile. Anticipate additional enhancements that the Mini 4 Pro could introduce. One notably probable inclusion is AcuSync 4.0, the most recent iteration of DJI's digital transformation system linking drones with their controllers. This advancement bolsters signal dependability and extends the range to an impressive 20 kilometers, although this expanded reach might be constrained by regulatory limitations in many areas. This implication further implies that DJI is inclined to package the Mini 4 Pro alongside its fresh DJI RC2 controller, appearing that debuted with the Air 3. While the leaked image may end at modest advancements, it's quite conceivable that the Mini 4 Pro will inherit the majority of the convenient enhancements showcased in its latest world-rounded counterpart. Albeit in a more compact package, this prospect positions it as a potentially exceptional travel companion, mirroring the trend set by its predecessors. In short, according to the information that has been leaked thus far, it appears that the Mini 4 Pro could be characterized as a modest enhancement. It may possibly landing this series with the features seen in the Air 3, which includes a new controller and improved connectivity. Should the Mini 4 Pro indeed incorporate features like an all-around obstacle detection system, AcuSync 4.0 technology, and introducing new RC2 controller, it would make for a logical and practical upgrade. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.